Teach Me TV, back with another video. We hope all is well with you and yours. Go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe button, and don't forget to share this video with a friend. Now today I want to share 7 tips on why using video is essential for your marketing strategy. We here at Teach Me TV want you to do things the right way the first time. So if you're ready and excited about that, hit the like button now. Let's go. Video can take your brand voice higher than ever. However, this strategy is certifiably not a simple one to master. To take advantage of your video technique, you'll have to proceed cautiously. The following are 7 key things to remember. 1. Capitalize on existing video platforms. However, video installed flag promotions are turning out to be progressively well known. The best objective for your video content is on platforms already based around video. YouTube, TikTok, Snapchat, etc. If clients can consistently go from watching their preferred content to observing great arranged advertisements, they're more likely to react to what they're seeing. Consumers on platforms like TikTok are already primed for video content. It's up to you to deliver it to them. And instead of waiting for those customers to find your videos organically, you can shortcut the process by targeting them using TikTok ad platform. 2. Deliver quality before quantity. With so much excitement about the future of video, it can be tempting to jump in headfirst. An important thing to understand, though, is that many users are already flooded with more videos than they could ever hope to watch. So if you're hoping to stand out amongst the masses, you'll need to produce top quality video content. Instead, make videos you want to watch and stick with people after they tend your content. 3. Be a storyteller. Video is maybe the most ideal of all showcasing media towards narrating, and purchasers are prepared to react. All of the data you're expecting to share through video content can be shaped into a story, meshing them into the narrative of the item's origination and improvement. Want to promote a new discount? Show what went into making that value drop conceivable. Clients will perceive and react to your endeavors, which means genuine ROI down the line. There are some marketing tools that I think will help to mastering the art of storytelling. The links are in the description below. Hit the links now. 4. Demonstrate your product. According to a recent consumer case study, it's essential to remember that over 70% of people feel that ads are more intrusive now than they were 3 years ago. Therefore, your video should blend in naturally with the content around it and should never explicitly sell your product. Instead, demonstrate your product's value and emphasize some of its key elements. You can trust consumers to connect those dots on their own. 5. Engagement. You engage potential customers by placing your video content in the right place at the right time, ensuring that your audience is exactly who and where you want them to be. 6. Educating. You educate them with well-written content that is elegantly produced and contains information relevant to them. 7. Excitement. Most importantly, you energize them to engage with your brand further, securing a new relationship for your business. These tips will transform your business to an engaging destination that potentials will keep returning for more insight, building that lasting relationship and also a streamline of income if nurtured correctly. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching. We really hope you found value in this video, and as well as all the other videos on the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one.